Okay, so today's very fast, extremely professional project is we're painting these doors. There's one here, there's one over here. We're going to do a professional paint job, the likes of which has never been seen on YouTube before. You're going to want to watch this. And I have my helper today too. Okay, preparation of the paint surface is obviously key. You've got to have a nice clean surface, prepped, sanded, for a good quality finish. You're doing a good job there, real good job. So you need to come over here a little bit and clean the stuff off here. Also remember, it's extremely important to use good quality paint and to mask off the whole area so the paint that you're putting on there doesn't go where you don't want it to go. Good job, I don't care, so I'm just going to spray the hell out of it anyway and use the cheapest possible paint I could possibly get. And I have my expert painter here to help me. He's never done it before. I begin to think I'm glad that we got so much paint.
Starting to run out.
Yeah, it is, but there's no primer, so.
You might need to primer.
Oh, some crappy paint, huh? Man, these cans do a great job. What do you think? You have to say yes, or no, or whatever. You can't say you're not. I'm so glad that we use these cheap cans. It does an amazing paint job, huh? Okay. And with that, guys, I'll sign off. Until the next one. Is the camera off? Yeah, the camera's off. Right. Let's finish up what we're doing on the other side. We'll get this posted on YouTube, because people on YouTube think that everything you print out there is what happens. Kind of like those fake Rust channels, you know, they pretend to have Rust and stuff like that. So, we'll post this off, get them edited, and we'll send it off. We'll be good to go.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Can I do it right here?
Huh?
Can I do it right here?
Yeah. Tell you what, let's put the mask on you. I guess there's a reason why this paint's so cheap, huh?
Yeah. Do we need to put something on before paint?
I think we do.
Let's do that.
use a different sort of paint than you.
The spray paint's not going to work. Here.
Alright, after that spectacular fail, so you get when you have amazing quality paint, we're going to have to brush it because I don't have a roller. I just can't be bothered to go get one. So we found some old paint. She's got old clothes on, I've got work clothes on. I guess we're going to get covered and you're going to see a fantastic paint job. Yeah. I'm almost tempted to get to throw it and do it.
Like you just
Now just remember, we're going to cut out that piece with the, when we're painting with the brushes to make it look like we're going to make YouTube think that we sprayed all this with these cheap cans. Okay? So I say 3, 2, 1, and then we start spraying again. You got that? Alright, 3, 2, 1.